Today I went and checked my PO box, and to my surprise we have some makeup PR. So you already know we're about to do an unboxing, so stay tuned.
Baby boy, stay on my mind. If I feel nothing, come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real. Baby boy,
hey guys, it's me P and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are doing a PR box unboxing. I'm super excited because I haven't done one of these in a long time, and that's partially because the Imvu community itself don't really do PR. But if you want to see the very first PR box unboxing I ever did on my channel, I'll leave it up here. It will be linked in the description box. But for today's PR, we have the makeup brand Fraiche Beauty. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, guys. You know I can't pronounce anything to save my life. But let me read you a little bit about the brand. Okay, so as it says here, Fraiche Beauty is a makeup company that specializes in diverse and natural makeup. From skincare to makeup, Fraiche is here for anyone suffering from dry, oily, or neutral skin. Ooh, okay, we love that. We offer unique products that help hydrate and keep the skin looking fresh, as well as fun and detailed oriented products to make your shopping experience a unique one. That sounds really good. Like, I'm really excited to test out these products and see what it does for my skin. Right now, my skin is oily combination. Normally in the winter time, it does tend to get a little bit more drier. My T-zone, especially my nose, is gonna always be oily. So let's see what these products do for my skin. But let's get into the first product. Okay, so first up we have their setting powder. I have mine in the shade medium deep. There is two other shades. There's more of a lighter one for, you know, the fair skin girls, and then there's a more darker one for like someone like my complexion, or maybe even darker, you know, for a highlighted look. On their site it does say that the powder is full coverage, so if you like that full beat glam look, this is definitely good for baking. But we're gonna put this on our face and see how it looks. So if you're not an oily babe like me, you can also put it on wherever you sit and just dust it off straight after. It's not gonna make much of a difference. It'll just give you a less of a fuller beat look. I really do like the formula. I don't know what they use. It's very buttery and soft. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of powder on my face. So what I've done was I just put some concealer and then I put some powder underneath my eyes. And I don't usually bake underneath my contour, but I thought let me try it out for the sake of this video. And guys, like, the shade match is really good. Like, I personally have a golden yellow undertone, so I like using like yellowy powders to set. So I've had the powder on for about 2 to 5 minutes now, so we're just gonna dust it off and see what it's looking like. I was also just reading on their page and it says this powder keeps your makeup fresh for 24 hours. Now that's a really big claim to live up to. Maybe I should do a video where I do full face using their products and see how long my makeup actually lasts for an oily babe, you know, when I go out to the club or something. But leave that in the comments if that's something you guys want to see. Am I the only one that likes how my face looks like when I'm baking? Like, I really like this powder. Okay, so next up we have their body shimmer mist, and when I tell you guys, I sprayed this on my arm earlier. The fragrance that came out of this was so immaculate. Like, they could have sold this as a body mist alone and I would have purchased it too. And the thing is, I didn't even know that they had this on their site. This wasn't even a part of the original PR. I went back on their site and purchased this with my own money. I love to shine. I love to be glistening. I love to just be standing out and looking different from everybody. So when I go into rooms, I want to be glistening. Yeah, look at me. This is definitely that girl. It was 100% worth every penny. Okay, so next up we have their blush sticks. It comes in 3 shades. So the shades that I have is Rosy Blush, Bougie Pink Blush, and Plush Blush. Ooh, that's a tongue tie. But we're gonna try out the middle shade, which is Bougie Pink. I love a pink blush, so we're gonna try out that one and see what it's looking like. So guys, this is a couple days later. I saw that when I was editing the video, I saw that it didn't add this clip in. I don't know why. I don't know where the footage is, but it's okay though, because we're just gonna do it again today. So I've got on the middle shade. I've forgotten the name. Was it Rosy Pink? I'm not sure, but I put on the brightest pink because I do love a pink blush. So I just put it in 3 dots on my cheek, and I'm gonna blend that out as well as my contour. The contour is not by Fraiche Beauty, it's by a different brand. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's probably Fenty Beauty. We're gonna blend that out and I'm gonna show you what the blush looks like. But before we do that, guys, look at this Fraiche Beauty hoodie that they gave me. I didn't even see that it was in the bottom of the PR box when I was unboxing. Super cute. Like, how did you know, Fraiche Beauty? I love anything comfy, so thank you so much for the hoodie. Okay, so this is the Bougie Pink blush all blended out, and it's like a really radiant sun-kissed pink. I super love it. I put a little bit on my nose as well. That's my signature. I love putting blush on my nose. I know some people like putting blush on their forehead. I'm not really into that just yet. I love looking sun-kissed. Yes, black people can blush. I love the blush, guys. I actually can't stop looking at myself in this camera viewer. Like, the blush looks so cute and it's like natural, especially for my complexion. So if you're my complexion or even darker, I feel like if you're a darker complexion than me as well, this is like the perfect blush for our complexion, our skin tone. Like, it's really considerate. And the thing is with me as well, to go off topic just a little bit, I feel like in the makeup industry, not only in the makeup industry but also in VU makeup industry, you don't really see things tailored to the dark skins. Seeing this blush really made me excited because this is the type of blush I wear in real life. Like, I love a cute pink blush, and I back then, like a couple years back, I would have been scared to touch a pink blush, but yes, I thank God for pink blush. Pink blush, chef kiss. Okay, so up next we have the Angels palette. I'm not sure if there's other palettes, but the palette that I got is the pink one because I'm gonna definitely use this for my eyeshadow, for my blush, everything. I'm really in my pink girl era. It's so weird because I didn't think I would ever be girly like that, but pink on dark skins is super cute. I used to love orange blush and orange eyeshadow, everything, but now I'm slowly creeping into the pink side, and I feel like pink was made for us. Pink is that girl and pink is our color. So I did have a little swatch of it off camera, and the formula is definitely smooth, it's definitely blendable, it's very easy to work with. I would also go as far as saying this is an ideal beginner friendly palette. So if you don't know how to do makeup, if you've never really done eyeshadow before, this is a palette that is really good at teaching you how to use color, because I'm afraid of color and I know there's a lot of people that are afraid to do color or anything on their face. This is a good palette to start with. She retails for 880 credits, and in my opinion that's really affordable for all the shades that you get. You get about 9 shades. It has the darker shades for like the cut crease, as well as the highlighter shades for like when you want to brighten up your eyelids. So 100% an ideal palette for beginners. And even if you're not a beginner, I feel like if you have this palette, whenever you use it, it's going to be a statement piece. It's going to scream that girl. Everyone's going to have all their eyes on you. Now let's quickly get into the formula and the consistency of this palette. When I tell you it's pigmented, it's pigmented. I tried to wipe it off on my little makeup remover wipes, and baby, this was pigmented to the T. Like, it was swiping for such a long time. If I got a little footage on my camera, I'll put it here. But yeah 100% worth the money. I would even say it's up there with like Juvia's Place consistency. Like, this shit was actually very good, high quality, consistent, buttery, smooth formula. Like, I'm in love with this palette, guys. Can you tell? I highly recommend Fraiche Beauty. I already know I'm butchering the name. Definitely get shopping with these guys. 100% give them their money. This was just a selection of the items that I got from the PR, but they do have other items on their store, so definitely check them out. I also want to take the opportunity to thank them. Thank you, Fraîche Beauty, for collaborating with me and considering me for a PR package. I love the products that I received. Like, how did you know? I believe they're also a black owned business as well, and you already know I love my black owned businesses. I love supporting black owned businesses, and I love the professionalism. If you check out their Instagram page, I'll leave it on the screen here, you'll understand what I mean by professionalism. They are so professional. Everything looks clean cut. Like, they definitely put their effort into it and their mind into the business, especially running the Imvu business. We already know that a lot of people are very scammy, unprofessional, they reply late, but the communication with them was very clean. They sent me over the box with ease, and I literally love all their products. So if you go and shop them, remember to let them know that Princess sent you, Princess put you on. And yeah, but that's the end of the video, guys. If you like this, drop a like and leave a comment of what your favorite product was if you've tried them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.